Hi everyone, in this video, I will show you how to give access of Grafana dashboard to user. So first, you have to log in or sign up to grafana.net. After you log in or sign up, you will be directed here on home. On here on left, click on dashboards. Now you have to click on the specific dashboard that you want to give the permissions. For me, I will click this Grafana cloud. Then I will click on this folder actions and select the manage permissions. Here, as you can see, there are permissions like admin, the role is admin, her or his permission are admin, editor to edit, viewer to view. Now to add a permission, click on add permission. Here, simply choose user, and here you can input what user you want to give this permission. Just input it there, and here, what do you want to be his or her permission? For example, edit or admin. After that, simply click on save, and that's basically it.